Well, this is a terrible idea.
Hello.
It's a perfect beginning on this wonderful day. Today, I'm documenting myself either fixing my car or breaking it. The choice is yours. Leave a comment, like and subscribe. That's what they say.
Break.
Break. Alright, continuing on. Today, I'm gonna try to repair the left front blinker of my 2015 Hyundai Elantra using information I watched in another video. That guy was wearing a different tracksuit. Mine's much more coordinated. So obviously I'm prepped for failure. Okay, here we go. The first step is you do all these things, and I did those things. So it's on to the second step where you do more things. Alright, cut. Okay, so the first thing to do is assume the position of the squatting position so you can be down here in the camera frame. And once you're down here, you can see you have to remove these screws here, here, and here. And then when you've done that, you got to remove these two screws here. But I haven't done that, so I have to do that. Let's do that now. Cut. Alright, so I've successfully disassembled this wonderful thing, and now I lift up and out because I took the light out. It connected right here. Let's remember that. Also, the light we're replacing is this one right here. So now, because a true genius did this, we are going to replace this is the one. You could just tell. Look at that. And we pushed it in, and we got it out. Baby, cut. Ah, yes, another lovely winter day. The neighbors are off to their perhaps work from home jobs. Wait, that doesn't make any sense. Maybe it does. And then I'm fixing my car, which totally makes sense. We took this out, now we put this back in, and we line it up, and then we just twist it like so. Oh, in it to win it. Now you get your boy to come back over and help you do this. My boy ain't here today, so I'll just do this on my own. It's fine. We're good. So, continuing on. Now remember, you kind of have to drop this in. Oh yeah, in it to win it, around and down, the little clips. Now we just hook up the power. With a satisfying snap. And pause. Okay, so now it's fixed. Like when you turn the thing on, it's on. This is what we wanted. That means that we have successfully documented us fixing a car. This is how to fix the left front blinker of your 2015 Hyundai Elantra with me, your host, Carmen Mancuso. And if I don't know anything about fixing cars, then my name isn't Carmen Mancuso. Alright, so now that this is done, we're gonna take our trusty 3-inch wrench and, yeah, that's this. And we're just gonna put the bolts back in. We didn't do that before, because we weren't sure if this worked or not. Now that's done, and so am I. Ciao for now, and see you later when this thing breaks again. I think. Maybe not. Bye-bye.